In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're also going to talk about Ethereum on the lower degree. So we're going to take a look at Ethereum on a 6-hour time frame, and we're also going to take a look at it on a 2-day basis and 3-day basis. Okay. So Bitcoin, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin later on. Ethereum is right now very, very aggressive, looking to break all-time highs. So we're going to start off with Ethereum. So now, if you watch my previous analysis regarding Ethereum, we had two targets. Okay. The first target for Ethereum was just about like 1256, right? Just about 1256 right there, right? And the second target is just about 1233. Okay, so if you take a look at 1233 range, we did break 1233 right now. Current price, we broke it and we're testing it. So let's see if Ethereum gonna be able to close on the 6-hour time frame above 1223. Okay, 1233, excuse me. So we're going to be keeping an eye on Ethereum over the next like a few hours and so on, and try to close above 1333. And we're going to be looking for a further breakout. Okay, target we're going to be looking to the upside. All right, it is going to be 1.41 extension to the upside. If you do a swing low to swing high, swing high to swing low, excuse me, right there, we're going to be looking for 1.27 to 1.41 extension, and it is going to be a potential move to the upside 1500 all the way up to 1592. Okay, that's going to be the next trading range for Ethereum, if and only if we can basically break out above 1356 and so on. All right, so that's what I'm looking for regarding Ethereum over the next like a few hours and so on. However, guys, we also got to take a look at the downside. The move we got prior to this move, it is a it is an impulsive move, so we just have to be cautious. It is not guaranteed, right? Ethereum is going to be breaking out above 1333 1388 range. If and only if we get rejected, right, we could be looking for a potential move to the downside right here, which is somewhere around like 0.618 at just about like a 1000. If we do not get a strong support, we could be dropping all the way down to 1000 area. So Ethereum macro scale, it is still bullish regardless of what we're going to get over the next few hours and so on, right? We can either pump to the upside up to 1592, or we can get rejected temporarily. Most people are going to be panicking, and price action could dump all the way down, and the smart money going to be buying at support area. Okay, I'm bullish on Ethereum. However, guys, once again, it is breaking out right now. We're getting a lot of hypes. Most people are looking for $2,000 Ethereum and all of that good stuff. But we just have to stay focused, right, and basically keep an eye on it. BTC. Let's take a look at Ether BTC right now. If you take a look at ETH BTC, it is breaking out above the 0.035 range, which is basically what we've been expecting. If you remember our previous analysis, what I said regarding Ether is like Ether. Let's do this. What I said regarding Ether is like it is triple tapping, right? We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, it could drop right here, retest the bottom. However, I'm just gonna focus on the upside. Okay, so Ether BTC, the reason why Ethereum USD is breaking out and BTC is not breaking out is like Ether is very strong versus BTC, so it doesn't matter if BTC goes up or if BTC stays the same. If Ether BTC is going to be breaking out, of course, okay, Ether USD most likely going to be pumping to the upside. So that's what we're seeing right now. So upside target, we're going to be looking for to the upside, immediate target. Okay, so we're just going to basically look for 1.27 1.41 extension to the upside, right? It is going to be just about like 0.04 once again. Okay, 0.0391. okay, if you round it up, 0.04 Ethereum, it is going to be 1.618. It is kind of aggressive, right? But we almost at 1.27, which is like 0.036. So 0.036, we could get a temporary rejection. If we break it, we could be looking for 0.037, and if we break it, we can go all the way up to basically 0.04, which is 1-to-1 extension of the previous correction right here. If you take a look at it, the 1-to-1 extension also relatively just at 0.04 range. So Ether is looking very, very, very strong. If you take a look at Ether on the macro scale, if you take a look at Ether BTC on the macro scale, you can see like we on a big head and shoulder pattern formation right here. Let's take a look at it on a weekly basis. Okay, if you take a look at on the weekly basis, Ether BTC is on a massive head and shoulder pattern formation, and one-to-one extension, it is going to take us right at 0.1 BTC. So it means like 10% of BTC. If Bitcoin is at 50,000, Ether going to be at 5,000. Bitcoin 100,000, Ether going to be 10,000. So let's just keep that in mind. I'm not sure if like the pattern going to be playing out in time, or we're just going to be breaking out. We're just going to break it and basically pump to the upside, or we're just going to retest the low right here before breaking out. But we're going to talk about all of that good stuff over the next like a few weeks and so on. As of now, we're just going to focus on the breakout, beautiful weekly bullish crossover versus BTC. So it is very strong, guys. Very strong. So now let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, it is moving sideways. It is not doing much, even though Ether is breaking out. As you can see, we did talk about Bitcoin regarding the head and shoulder pattern formation during my live stream. Most people looking at the head and shoulder, the big one, right? And they anticipating a move to the downside. But guys, we just have to be cautious because we also got a tiny head and shoulder pattern formation right here. We could be pumping to the upside also. If we break the neckline, we could be looking for a potential one-to-one extension. A one-to-one extension of the move gonna take us right around like a 42,000. Okay, 41 to 42, give or take. All right. So keep an eye on BTC, right? Short term, it is kind of complicated right now, so just be cautious because we still got a correction on the bigger picture, right? We still got a big correction. Even if we drop right here and validate the head and shoulder pattern formation, we still can get this move to the upside. So let's just keep that in mind. It is not confirmed yet. We got to get the breakout right here. If not, we can still drop right here, find the support, right? And before looking for another move to the upside. Overall chart, okay, BTC on the 2-day basis, it is still bullish. Price action still above the 21 EMA on the 2-day basis. You can see like price action still above the 21 EMA on the 2-day chart. In order to stay bearish, right, we gotta be, we gotta be able to break the 2-day 21 EMA. As long as we above the 2-day 21 EMA, Bitcoin going to be pretty much very bullish. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today. If you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join Send Crypto public Telegram group. If you're looking to join Send Premium, you can just give me an shoot me a text or shoot me a message, and you can join my premium group for alt setup, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and all of that good stuff. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.